Hi, and welcome back to another episode of us doing whatever we do. I've forgotten what I'm talking about. Hi, and welcome back to another video. It's been a while since we've done videos. I'm now having a mental break. Hi, welcome back to another video. I know it's been quite a long time since we've posted, and so what we've done is collated some of the bits we've been up to, and we're going to share that with you over the next few minutes of video. Enjoy. First step when fitting the pop top is to get the headlining out. To do this, we have to be very careful, obviously, not to bend the headlining, and also there's quite a lot of cabling that we have to wrestle with along the way. After that, we've marked out and we're now cutting out the pop top. And here it goes. As you can probably tell, we've got quite a lot of work on at the minute. So now that we've gone and successfully cut out the top of the roof and primed all the sides, we've fitted the structural metal frame for the front and the back. And the next thing to do is to fit the side mounting pieces, which will also house the lights. In order to do this, what we've done is we've taken these and we've gone and carpeted the back of them so that it can be tucked and done neatly in one piece. And we've also put the cabling in, ready for all of the lights to be installed. Now we're popping the pop top on, excuse the pun, and screwing it into place. Starting with the back hinges and then moving on to the gas struts. At this point, we've dropped the canvas and we're screwing it down nice and tight. So now that we've successfully screwed the pop top in all the way around, the next step is to cut off the excess and then carpet over and round and seal it into this edge and trim here, and then carpet the front section as well. Here you can see I'm slowly carpeting and working my way through, doing the sides, and I'm now moved on to the back piece. This is actually the most fiddly section to try and get it to all go in neatly in the corners. After this, it's a matter of putting it all back together, starting with the headlining, which then needs trimming and fitting and giving a nice neat finished edge so that it all looks consistent throughout the vehicle. Next up here, you can see this is a project that we've already had a little bit of work done on, but what we're trying to do with this van is use it as a display of some of the work that can be achieved in a very small space. I'm hoping to show you quite a lot of this vehicle as we work through it. As you can see here, we're carpet lining in what I would say is quite a brave colour and not one of our most common choices, but hopefully will be a good one to show you what can be achieved and how other colour combinations can work as opposed to your standard greys. You'll also see Alison is insulating the doors and working her way through that in a very attractive coloured jacket. Then it's on to carpeting the other side. I apologise that I seem to be able to constantly flash my underwear on camera. It's not intentional, but on the plus side at least I'm wearing some. Hi, so as you've probably guessed, as we keep getting bigger, we start to run out of space. And as such, what we've decided to do is build this mezzanine section, which should hopefully allow us to have a bit more storage space for the masses of cuts of wood that we constantly have, which means that the vehicles can actually take pride of place down on the floor as opposed to us climbing over stuff all the time. The benefit to this is it means that we've got more space to actually work in. Anyway, the mezzanine is quite a beast, and this is how we built it. First step is to drill all of the holes to actually fit the bracing for the mezzanine into the wall and then put concrete screws in. Now that we've already taken down all of the plastic and covers, you can see it's quite a large area that we're trying to build a mezzanine over. Step by step and bit by bit we're going to get it up. As you can see, this is quite a long process. We're only in the first 4 meters and we're trying to build a total of 12-meter section. The overall size for this is 12 by 4.6 meters. Here we're putting the first lot of floorboards up just so that I can work back and forth from that area. As you can see, it's a fun job of just slowly slotting them all together and getting it screwed into the trusses. We also had to do some modification to the door frame because the door originally opened outwards and we had now blocked over part of that door so it wouldn't open that way. As you can see, we're still in the very early stages, 4 meters in. But we might as well get some lights in whilst we're at it and continue on, because otherwise it's never going to get finished. So unfortunately I didn't film it, but as you can see we managed to finish off the rest of the sections and we've now got all the floorboards that we're putting down one by one. I understand it's quite a long thing to watch. If you think it's long to watch, imagine how long it was us doing it. On these very end ones, you'll notice that I had to trim them all down to get them to fit perfectly, as obviously it wasn't exactly the right length for the boards that we had left over. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. We're going to actually release quite a few more videos on the Mercedes Vito, so please like and subscribe. We really appreciate the support. See you soon. It's a bit mucky there, isn't it?